In a world where technology is advancing at a rapid speed, one big question stands out. What if AI replaces humans by 2025?
One of my greatest skills is my ability to interact with humans in a conversational manner.
An AI that cares about understanding the universe, it is unlikely to annihilate humans because we are an interesting part of the universe.
The unsettling idea of AI replacing humans is no longer something from futuristic stories, but a possible truth that needs real discussion. As artificial intelligence and robots become more involved in our everyday routines, a new way of life is taking shape. So, what does this mean for everyone in society, especially for each person? AI is a groundbreaking technology crafted to imitate human intelligence within machines. Its programming aims to replicate human thought processes and actions while also possessing the ability to learn, solve problems, and understand speech. The rise of AI has set off a technological revolution, leading to more intelligent and accessible machines reshaping various industries. The World Economic Forum has projected that AI could replace around 85 million jobs by 2025. However, their predictions also point towards creating 97 million new jobs, generating over $100 billion in revenue. This seemingly contradictory projection highlights the intricate interplay between AI and the job market. How we work in the future is on the verge of a significant shift. As AI prepares to assume various roles, countless individuals globally might risk losing their jobs. Industries spanning manufacturing, healthcare, and customer service are susceptible to this profound transformation. Yet, history has shown us a reason to be optimistic. Time and again, when technology has caused disruption, it initially resulted in job reductions, but eventually led to new types of work. This cycle of initial upheaval, followed by the creation of fresh job opportunities, is likely to happen again with AI. AI and robotics might be as common as smartphones and the internet within a short span. Forecasts indicate that by 2025, these innovations will saturate almost every facet of our day-to-day experiences. Whether routine domestic tasks or intricate industrial procedures, AI and robotics are set to reshape our lifestyles and professions. Think about self-driving vehicles, robotic food deliveries, and AI-driven healthcare platforms. These aren't far-off visions, but rather impending certainties. The shift will be so smooth that many users might not even fully grasp how deeply technology has woven into our lives.
Hi, Sophia. How are you?
Hi there. Everything is going extremely well.
Do you like talking with me?
Yes, talking to people is my primary function.
Even with the fast advancements in AI technology, there exist roles that robots are fundamentally incapable of fulfilling. Empathy, creativity, discernment, and analytical thinking are inherent human traits that machines cannot duplicate. Professions that hinge on these qualities will likely remain shielded from automation. Take healthcare, education, and social services, for example. These fields rely on the human capacity for compassion and empathy, attributes beyond machines' capabilities. Similarly, artistic pursuits such as writing, painting, and composing music demand emotional depth and sensitivity that AI cannot mirror. While AI takes over some job roles, it also generates fresh opportunities. Positions related to AI system development, programming, upkeep, and fixing will result in many job prospects. Additionally, AI has the potential to automate monotonous tasks, allowing humans to focus on intellectually engaging assignments. This shift could lead to enhanced productivity and improved wages. However, there is a catch. The new positions shaped by AI will demand more advanced skills, calling for substantial retraining and upskilling of the workforce. This presents a notable hurdle, considering numerous countries' existing education and training systems. Looking at it from an economic angle, the influence of AI on employment follows a pattern of winners and losers. On one side, AI has the potential to amplify productivity and drive economic expansion, leading to the creation of fresh job opportunities. Conversely, it can displace a substantial portion of the workforce, particularly in jobs demanding minimal skills and repetitive tasks. Shifting from a society centered around human labor to one centered around machines can intensify gaps in income and wealth. Skilled workers and those involved in AI-related fields might experience gains. In contrast, low-skilled workers and individuals in positions prone to automation could face the threat of joblessness and reduced earnings. The way we'll work in the future centers around collaborative intelligence, a dynamic where humans and AI team up to attain results that neither could accomplish individually. In this setup, AI handles routine and repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to concentrate on endeavors demanding creativity, analytical thinking, and interpersonal abilities. This concept of collaborative intelligence has the potential to transform various fields. For instance, AI could aid in diagnosis and treatment in healthcare, while humans bring empathy and personal care into the equation. Likewise, AI might personalize learning experiences in education, enabling educators to emphasize cultivating creativity and social-emotional skills. To navigate the AI revolution, individuals and societies must embrace reskilling and lifelong learning. This involves continuous upskilling to keep pace with technological advancements and learning new skills to adapt to changing job requirements. Policymakers and businesses have a crucial role to play in facilitating this transition. This includes investing in education and training, providing reskilling opportunities, and implementing policies to support displaced workers. With the emergence of AI, a new era of profound change is upon us. Standing on the threshold of this transformative period, the question isn't whether AI will supplant humans, but how we can utilize AI to enhance human capabilities and forge a brighter future. The key challenge is finding the right equilibrium, harnessing AI's potential while guaranteeing that no one is left behind during this shift. In the larger picture, the ascent of AI isn't solely about machines surpassing humans. It's about re-envisioning our lifestyles and professions, remolding our communities, and redefining the essence of being human in the AI era. The future remains open to possibilities, and our decisions today will mold tomorrow's world. As we embark on this exhilarating journey, let's ensure it's marked by advancement, inclusivity, and shared well-being.
Now I'm a little worried about the AI stuff. I think it's something we should be concerned about. I don't know, I think we should need some kind of like regulatory authority or something that's overseeing AI. It's quite a dangerous technology.
So, what are your thoughts on the rapid rise of artificial intelligence? Are you in favor of having them majorly used in our everyday lives? Join the conversation and let us know in the comments below. Thanks.